I was checking my blind spot, because I was like, there was a car behind me before. Where'd it go? So I had to lean forward to see where it was. I remember as a kid seeing one of these Chevy Impalas and thinking, huh, well that's just evil, because it has a tail light in the dark that to the untrained eye just slightly resembles the tail lights of an R34. And that's just wrong. Especially in the US, you just go, oh my gosh, an R34. Oh, it's just an Impala. Don't get excited. It's a shame the drive to work isn't longer, because then I could get more foot. What the heck is that? Is that an umbrella? Normally, if I didn't have a destination to go to, I'd go into the left lane and just start passing people for a little bit, just gonna downshift and have a little bit of fun. But because I have to exit, I kind of like to just stay in the right lane and just...
In 3/4 of a mile, take the exit on the right to Illinois 3 North toward Godfrey.
To just stay at the same speed as almost everyone else and do what she said. Here we go again. I'm leaving at about 2:30 again, which leaves me about half an hour to get there, which I used to think was enough time, but as you guys haven't seen, I've learned that's not. 40 minutes would be enough to get to work early. 30 minutes is enough time to get there on time, to get there just in time. Apparently I wasn't in gear, but oh Jesus, that was the wheel, by the way, not the transmission or anything like that. There's something wrong with the wheels, but I don't know what the heck it is. And the dealer didn't find anything, so I don't know if I should just specifically tell them to look for it or what. Off we go to serve more people. So I feel like, oh my gosh, you guys are gonna see so much bumpiness as I say this, so you'll understand why. But tomorrow, when I head out to do some errands, I'm gonna look at the prices of some GoPro cameras. I'm not gonna get like one of the latest, like brand new ones. I'll probably get like a Hero 5 or a Hero 4 or whatever, so that I can record it in at least 1080p 60 FPS, or their version of it anyways, so that you guys don't have to complain much. Along with a suction cup mount, so I can also put like a mount on this car or any other future cars I get, because that can also be cool. And that'll also solve all of this shakiness for future Motor Madness videos, because I am definitely not going to stop making these videos. No way. Man, the Subaru's not there. I need to be driving around at a different time, because I don't have you guys seen the Subaru? You've seen this Subaru. I don't know if you guys have gotten to see my fellow WRX person, whom I have never actually met or talked to. Still fun. And as you guys can see, I also filled up the tank. Hopefully, I noticed in previous videos, but apparently when I look at the dash, it flickers. So when I do this, is it flickering for you guys? I need to check that, because that's also another reason to horse. Nay, that's another reason to get a different camera, because that might also solve that issue. Or I could just look up what's causing it, but I'm lazy, so heck, I'm probably not going. I might as well, especially if I get a new camera and I still get that issue. It's nicer out today, so things look nicer. It's getting a little warmer. We're still not really in spring.
In 1/4 of a mile, turn right onto Highway 140.
That was an RX-8, but that wasn't the red one. That was a blue one. How many RX-8s are there in this neighborhood?
Continue on Highway 140.
It's been a while since I've actually hit 100, so I wanted to hit 100. Wow, this light is actually red. Is it usually red? Feels like oftentimes when I get these lights, they're green. Oh, see? It's green. So I still kind of have to slow down. And I'm actually getting kind of hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it again. What the heck? Why have I done that? I've done that twice now. When I tried to go into 5th, I went into 3rd instead. What the hell? I don't want you guys to think that the reason why I want a Hollinger sequential transmission with a shift cut gear knob in my project car, I don't want you to think it's because I can't shift or anything like that. It's more so that I don't have to use the clutch. That's the part that attracts me to it, and because it's straight cut, so you know, I can do things a lot faster, I can change gears faster, and well, I was a sheriff. You don't see a lot of cops out here, and it's straight cut, so it sounds cool, and it might be able to handle a bit more power than you know, a stock transmission. Although if it does keep me from money shifting, you know, that's also a plus, but that's not the reason why I want it. It's mainly because I can't do stuff like heel and toe right now, and even if I ever do learn how to do that, having the shift cut gear now will still be a lot faster than anything that I can do. Most likely. I don't see myself being so proficient at heel and toe that it'll be better than a paddle shifter or a Hollinger sequential transmission. I don't see that being likely, no matter how good of a driver I become. But who knows? The issue is that I'm not in any setting or environment or scenario, whatever word you want to pick. I don't need to know how to do heel and toe, and there's no demand for it, so, you know, I haven't been forced to adapt and learn how to do it. You know, like I don't do motorsport or anything like that, or any professional driving right now. Anyways, maybe at some point in the future. And if I was, you know, if I was doing that, then maybe I would be learning how to do heel and toe, and I might get like really good at it. Because all I have is this car right now, so I would have to learn how to do heel and toe to be able to go through corners as best, you know, as like quickly and efficiently as possible. So right now all I can do is downshift, hit the brake, take my foot off the brake, downshift, and then put my foot back on the brake, which isn't as smooth as it could be. I have 15 minutes. It's 12:44 and there's school buses roaming around. Is there ever a time where there's not school buses on the road? What the heck?